Describe about the epithelial tissues. So today we are discussing most of the students are not listen this topic, so I will explain once again. So what is the epithelial? So what is the epithelial tissue? Epi means upon, epithelial means upon. Epithelial means upon, located in the on surface of. On surface is called the epithelium. The word of epithelium is derived from the Latin. The word of epithelium is derived from the Latin. It is derived from which language? Derived from Latin language. So what is the meaning of epithelium? Epithelium nothing but upon, on surface. On surface. On surface. So this epithelial tissue can be divided into three different types. What is a simple epithelial, compound epithelial, and glandular epithelial? The epithelial tissue divided into how many types? Can be distinguished into three types. Epithelial tissue, everyone note down. Very simple way I will explain you. Simple epithelial tissue can be divided into three regions, distinguished into three types. Distinguished into three types. First one is simple epithelial. Simple epithelial membrane. Second one is compound epithelial membrane. Simple epithelial, compound epithelial. Third one is granular epithelial. Simple, compound, and granular epithelial. Okay, clear? So what is that? Simple epithelium. So again, the simple epithelial also can be divided into three different types according to their structure, according to the arrangement of the cells, according to their arrangement of the cell and structure. The simple epithelium also can be divided into three types, or divided into three types. What are the first one is simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelial membrane. Simple squamous epithelial membrane. First one is simple squamous epithelial membrane. Second one is simple cuboidal. Simple cuboidal epithelial membrane. Third one is simple cuboidal, simple squamous, simple epithelial. What is that? Right, two types. Sorry, simple epithelial membrane, simple squamous, simple cuboidal. Yes. Next one, the simple cuboidal also further divided into two types. What are they? Simple ciliated. Second one is simple non-ciliated. Sorry. Simple epithelial, simple cuboidal, and simple columnar. Simple columnar epithelium. So the simple columnar epithelium further divided into how many types? Two types. How many types? Two types. What are they? Simple ciliated and simple non-ciliated. Simple non-ciliated. What are the first one? Simple epithelial membrane. So the simple epithelial membrane can be divided into three different types according to their structure and their structure and cells. These can be classified into three types: simple squamous, simple cuboidal, and simple columnar. Simple squamous is the first one, simple cuboidal, and simple columnar. Simple columnar further divided into how many types? Two types: simple ciliated and simple non-ciliated. Next one is second one is simple compound. Simple compound. Compound epithelium further divided into 5 types. How many types? 5. First one is a simple keratinized epithelial membrane. Very, very important. Simple keratinized or stratified. I will write simple stratified keratinized epithelium, simple non-stratified epithelial keratinized membrane, stratified keratinized. Everyone note down, simple stratified keratinized epithelial membrane. First one. Second one is stratified non-keratinized. Non-keratinized. Third one, stratified is columnar. Stratified columnar. The fourth one is transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium. Fifth one is pseudo stratified epithelial membrane. Very, very important. Pseudo stratified epithelial membrane. Pseudo stratified epithelial membrane. The next one, last one is a granular epithelium. According to their secretion, the mode of the secretion, these can be classified into two types. First one is exocrine and endocrine glands. So the exoendocrine glands are also divided into three types according to their mode of secretion: apocrine, holocrine, and endocrine. What are the first one is, these are divided into two types. What are the first one is exocrine glands and endocrine glands. Exocrine glands and endocrine glands. The mode of secretion, these are can be classified. These two are can be classified into three types. According to their mode of secretion, these two are can be classified into three types. What are the first one is apocrine glands, merocrine glands, and holocrine glands. Apocrine glands. First one. Second one is merocrine glands. Third one is holocrine glands. I will give the definition of about the each and every word. Listen carefully. Crine means crine means system. Endocrine means one of the secretion of the hormone, that is called as endocrine means secretion. Clear? First one, the epithelium, nothing but this is a complete overview, the chart about the simple epithelium. This question comes in examination for the 8 marks. Very, very important. First one, this epithelial, nothing but the epithelial word is derived from the Latin. The meaning of the epithelial, nothing but upon on surface of the body. So epithelial containing three different types. They can be distinguished into three types: simple epithelium, compound epithelium, and granular epithelium. What is a simple epithelium? Compound epithelium. What is the granular epithelium? The simple epithelium, nothing but the cells are arranging very simply. Compound, nothing but more than this. Simple means containing only one single cell. Compound means a complex of the cell is compound. What is a granular? A group of the cells are combined together to formation of tissue. The tissues are able to formation of granules. So this is called glands. So now today we are discussing about the detailed information about the each and every epithelial. First we are discussing about the simple epithelium. Simple epithelium. First one is simple squamous epithelial tissue. First one is simple squamous. Simple squamous epithelial. Very important epithelial tissue. I will give the each and every what is that meaning of the word. Simple means single. Squama means plate. Epithelial tissue means tissue. This is nothing but a simple tissue. It is look like a tiles like structure. Simple epithelial tissue, nothing but it is one of the tissue made up of a single cell. Made up of a single cell. Listen carefully. Single cell. made up of single cell containing what is that? Containing one of the circular, nothing but round nucleus is present. Made up of, it contains what is that? Circular or round. You can write any word. Round nucleus is present. Round nucleus is present. The tissue is made up of the single. Okay, nothing but a single layer is present. A single layer is called as a simple. The single layer containing only one single nucleus. Only one single. The single layer containing only one nucleus. That one nucleus is look like a round in structure. Yes, a single layer, a simple layer containing only one single nucleus. That single nucleus is look like a round like structure. Okay, so that is called simple squamous epithelium. The simple squamous epithelial membrane. So it is look like a tile or plate like structure. It is look like a plate or tiles like structure. Where does it look like? It is a spreads on surface of the body or surface of the particular remaining particular organs. It is a arranging like a tiles on floor of the house containing the floor of the house. We are arranging a more number of tiles like a particular order like that. This epithelial tissue also arranging on surface of the organs like a tiles or plate. So example, I will give the best code or best best formula to easy to remember the what is that organ. So these epithelial tissues are very important in NEET level examination also. What is that? I will give the example code, that is called formula. Okay, ABBPMV by M by B or B by V. What is that? A, examples of epithelial membrane. A for alveoli. Alveoli is of, sorry. Alveoli is of lungs. The lungs alveoli. The lung alveoli means sac-like structure. This alveoli also consistent of the more number of the simple squamous epithelial membrane. The alveoli, where it is located? The lungs are there. The lungs containing alveoli. Thousands, millions of the alveoli are there. These are sac-like structure. It is useful for the storage of the oxygen. So the inner wall of the alveoli is completely covered by the simple squamous epithelial membrane. First example. A is completed. B for B and M. What is the blood vessels? BV for blood vessels. What is that? BM, nothing but midbrain or nothing but midbrain. P for pleura, membrane. Which membrane? Pleura membrane. What is the lungs are covered by the outermost covering membrane is in a pleura membrane. So what is that? Now we are discussing the simple epithelial membrane. First one, what is the simple? Simple means single. Okay, clear. Simple means single. Simple squamous. Squama nothing but tile. Simple single squama nothing but tile. Epithelial nothing but epi means upon. The simple single tile-like membranes are located on the surface of the body, surface of the particular organ. Let's we are discussing. First one, these are made up of a single layer. Simple squamous epitheliums are made up of a single layer. It is containing only one single nucleus located in the middle of the cell. So it is look like a round shaped structure. Clear? And as well as it is a plate-like structure and what is a tile-like structure. Where the example is ABBP, nothing but alveoli, blood vessels. What is that? Brain, midbrain, or nothing but ventricles of the brain. Note down the ventricles of the brain. Ventricles of the brain. Brain containing 4 ventricles. Okay, listen carefully. Brain containing 4 ventricles are right and left ventricles of the brain. The third ventricle is known as a foramen mandro. Fourth ventricle is located in the medulla oblongata. ventricles of the brain. It is located in the cerebral hemisphere. It is located in cerebral hemisphere region. So I will not give you a detailed information. Okay, only remember this word only, the pleura membrane. Second one, first one is completed. Second one is simple squamous and simple cuboidal epithelial membrane. Simple squamous look like this. Simple squamous, the containing the round nucleus is there. The arrangement like a type. Clear. Simple cuboidal, simple columnar. Sorry, simple cuboidal. Yes, again simple cuboidal. This is a simple single layer. The cells are look like a cube-like structure. This is a single layer. The cells are look like a cube-like structure. Cells are look like a cube-like structure. The cells containing, what is that? Ovoid nucleus is present. What is that? Cell is containing which nucleus present? Ovoid nucleus is present. It is made up of single layer. Made up of single layer. Clear? Made up of single layer. It is look like a, which one look like a? Cells are look like a, cells are look like a cube like structure, so that is called a cuboidal. What is that? Squama, nothing but plate. Where is that? Plate or tiles. Cuboidal, nothing but the cells are look like a cube like structure. Yes, cube. Clear? Cuboid like structure. This contains the central of the cube. So what is that? A cell containing ovoid nucleus is there. Okay, I will give the best examples of this one. What is that? Note down everyone. Okay, what is that? G, P, D, and last one is MIC. This is one of the formula to easy to understand about the simple cuboidal epithelial membrane. Draw the simple cuboidal epithelial membrane. These are look like a cube-like structure. Which one? The cells are look like a cube-like structure. These are made up of a single layer. These are made up of a single layer. It is located on the surface of the body. Which body parts? Like these body parts. Cube-like structure is containing which type of nucleus? Ovoid nucleus. This containing circular nucleus. This containing ovoid nucleus. Yes, this containing ovoid nucleus is present in center of the cell. Clear? The ovoid nucleus is present. The examples of B, P, and D and MIC. What is that B? What is the G? G for the glomerular region. G for glomerular. Example, glomerular. Glomerular nothing but is located in the kidney. Glomerular is located in the kidney or nephron. Nephron. First one is nephron. P for proximal convoluted tubule of the nephron. Proximal convoluted tubule. P for proximal. Proximal means anterior. Proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal convoluted tubule. D for distal convoluted tubule. D for distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubule. M for MIC means microvilli. Where is located the microvilli? The microvilli are located on surface of the intestine and stomach. Located in the microvilli. Everyone listen carefully and compare with these two tissues. First one, the simple squama. Simple means single, squama means plate, epithelium means upon the tissue. This tissue is made up of single cell. Clear? This tissue also made up of single layer. Singular. Is containing circular or round nucleus present. It is consistent of ovoid nucleus is present. It is look like a plate or tile-like structure. It is look like a cube-like structure. So there is a compare. If you are compare these two character, you can easy to remember of these characteristic features of the simple and cuboidal epithelial membrane. So what is that? The code, the formula of is ABBP. This one is a GP and D and MIC. So this is the simple cuboidal. This look like cube-like structure contain